Aluglobus, manufacturer, distributor, supplier, all the three. For patios, gates, fence, and cladding, let's see and learn the difference. Our systems are engineered, so this is our slat, 3/4. We don't go below that. Why? It's going to give you more stability. Your wall distance is farther, so these walls are supporting your slat. So yes, 3/8, half-inch slats may look good from the front, but we don't believe it in our engineering. Same thing with all our systems. Everything we build is heavy duty, and this is how you get to the tank. You get to the tank gate, right? This is your tank gate, and your universal system, which is DIY, but it's still considered a tank, right? Double supported, top and bottom frame, heavy duty tongue and roof. Everything is flush and clean, the Aluglobus way. If you're an architect, these are the systems that we create, and those are the systems that can give you that fine finish. No visible screws on our fences, no visible screws on our gates. Thicknesses and gauges that matter. 8-inch blade patio cover that matter. So when we create our systems, we build them for look, but for stability first, because these are functional systems, our louvers, and functional capabilities, right? Like patio covers. When it comes to fences, you want something robustic and capabilities of posts that you choose. We have 6 different posts you can choose from, multiple different design and color difference. Aluglobus.